Hello, this is Jammal. Today is March 22nd, year 2024. I want to tackle one of Abibu Oluwa's song where he talks about blessings of God regardless of the envies and the obstacles that an individual could run into. As long as you're blessed, you continue to be fulfilled. You continue to be nourished. And he sang this song for Mustapha Arẹmu Semo. So the Yoruba, they will call Muslim with the first name Mustapha, they tend to call them Dudu Dawa. Mustapha Dudu Dawa Semo. From my recollection, it's common among the Yorubas of today's Kwara State origins, because they are very good with Islamic studies. They have a lot of Islamic scholars in their midst. So they call Dudu Ndawa. Dudu Ndawa. So if you hear someone called Dudu Ndawa, their first name, the first name is Mustapha. Mustapha Dudu Ndawa Semo. So it goes like this. Let's do the lyrics first. Then we'll come back. We'll try and hold off and then come back and do the talking drum of it. It goes like this. Àwa ìrédé, Dudu Ndawa ìrédé. Àwa ìrédé. Relé ní ọ̀rọ̀ bó bá dọ̀la o. Ìrélé ní ó dọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la. Today's blessings beget tomorrow's wealth or tomorrow's means. Today's blessings beget tomorrow's wealth. Ọlọ́run ṣínà fún ẹ orí ibi tó ti ń tajà. Wàá pa owó ń bẹ, from there wàá pa owó yẹn, wàá tùjọ, wàá lọ fi kọ́lé sí ìlú òkè. Wàá fi rán àwọn ọmọ lọ́léèwé. Ire ní ṣílọ̀ fún orí ṣọ́ọ̀bù gbà. Nànàkúnà nànà àpà. Wàá mú invested dáadáa, ó tọ́jú ẹ̀, ó pamọ́ dáadáa, àríjẹ má gbàgbé ọ̀la, ó tọ́jú ẹ̀, ó di ọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹni lẹ́yìn ọ̀wá ọ̀la. Ìrélé ní ọ̀rọ̀ bó bá dọ̀la o. Lé ní ọ̀rọ̀ bó bá dọ̀la o. Ojú pàlànjà máa bàjẹ́. Ojú pàlànjà àmọ́ kò bàjẹ́. So meaning there's going to be some circumstances that you have to bear. But rather than break you, it make you stronger. Ojo palanja àmọ́ kò bàjẹ́. It increases its elasticity. Ojo palanja má bàjẹ́. Inú bọ́ aráyé kò bí ìsòkò. Fellow human beings are envious, are hating. But God doesn't hate or envy you. Soko is Oba or king or lord in Nupe dialect. Soko. Olorun Oba or Oba, king, lord. Inú ń báráyé kò bí soko. Ẹ̀gàn ò pé kó yí máa dùn wọ́n. No matter how envious it is to be hating, honey shall remain sweet. Honey would never become bitter. Sweet, meaning it's God will. Ẹ̀gàn ò pé kó yí máa dùn mọ́. Envy, jealousy, hatred doesn't stop honey from being sweet. Anybody who has foyín sẹ́nu knows that it's sweet. And tó bá foyín sẹ́nu á mọ̀ pé ó dùn. Which leads to a talking drum line later on in the Sakara evolution. Ẹni tó lóyìn ò dùn, nǹkan ló ń ṣe, nǹkan ló ń ṣe, ẹni tó lóyìn ò dùn, nǹkan ló ń ṣe. So if anybody says deny the sweetness of honey, they don't really know what they're talking about, or they just blatantly in denial. Mo gbẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ̀dẹ̀ mi ò ṣe mo gbẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ̀dẹ̀ robust. Mo gbẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ̀dẹ̀ mi ò. Sítàfà ọmọ Nùsíràtù Semo Arẹmu. Ti Mustapha ọmọ Nuweri Semo Arẹmu. Àti Mustapha ọmọ Nuweri is the old or earlier Islamic first name that Yoruba will bear. Nuweri is an Arabic meaning light skin, reddish. Nuweri, reddish. Orúkọ àwọn àgbàlagbà ayé àtijọ́ táwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ àwọn Mùsùlùmí wọ́n máa ń sọ ọmọ wọn nìyẹn. Nuweri. Dára ilé àràdàbà lọ́rùn Semo Arẹmu. Ó dára fún ẹyẹlé àràdàbà lọ́rùn. Ẹyẹlé, pigeon, àdàbà Adebayọ is more of a West African red-eye turtle dove. Pigeon and dove, they have the same species biologically. They both belong to the Columbidae species of birds. Ẹyẹlé tend to hang around human premises, rooftop of a human being and all that, of buildings. Whereas dove, they do, but they more freer. They will roam within the woods. They roam a little bit further. Their range is a little bit further away from human being. And ó dára fún ẹyẹlé, ó ń ràdàbà lọ́rùn. Meaning they've been blessed. Semo Arẹmu. So the whole theme of his lyrics, if you look at it from poetic line, is just reinforcing that he's been blessed. He's been blessed. Mustapha Semo has been blessed with the Almighty, the natural forces, and something higher than human being level. Mo gbẹ̀dẹ̀ mi o, robust, well fed. Gbẹ̀dẹ̀ mi o. Kò máa ní kúkò ní irun Mustapha. So when Yoruba says lágbájá ò ní kú kò ní rùn, they're not saying that individual will never die. That's not really what it's saying. They're just saying prematurely he's not going to die. That it will live its full length of his lifespan. He shall not die prematurely or rot. Kò máa ní kúkò ní irun Mustapha. Now let's do the drumming part of it. But it don't jẹ́jẹ́ lókù jẹ́jẹ́, ókù jẹ́jẹ́, pàtìpàtì tán kù jẹ́jẹ́ lókù, ókù jẹ́jẹ́. Ìyọnu ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bómi kànga, ìyọnu ni. Bàràwú torí ọkà bàrà jẹ́, bàdàbàdà bàràwú torí ọkà bàrà jẹ́. Òbémbéléṣù ọmọ torí ogun sáwáyé, òbémbéléṣù. Òbémbéléṣù short dude. Bàdà bàràwú ó torí ọkà bàrà jẹ́, rí ọkà bàrà jẹ́, rí ọkà bàrà jẹ́. Esther kayaku. Siratu. It turned into rhythmic. Kárọ́jú ká kú, kàkà ká dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún kèfèrí. Kárọ́jú ká kú. Ìyọnu ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mú mi kànga. Ìyọnu ni. Kí ló ṣe mí? Ìkankan ò ṣe mí. Kí ló ṣe mí? Ìkankan ò ṣe mí. Àlejò kó lọ, ẹ fi ṣàṣàrà bàgbó. Ẹ wí fàlejò kó lọ, ẹ fi ṣàṣàrà bàgbó. Ẹ ní kàlejò kó lọ, ẹ fi ṣàṣàrà bàgbó. Ìyọnu ni. Bàdà bàrà ó torí ọkà bàrà jẹ́. Bímbélésù ọmọ torí ogun sáwáyé. Kù jẹ́jẹ́ pàtìpàtì tán kù jẹ́jẹ́ ló kù. Ìyọnu ni. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bomi kànga. Ìyọnu ni. Kárọ́jú ká kú. But if you blow it slower, you get the wordings out. Bímbélésù. Kí ló ṣe mí? Ìkankan ò ṣe mí. Ẹni kàlejò kó lọ, ẹ fi ṣàṣàrà bàgbó. Ìgbálẹ̀ ṣàṣàrà, stick it in the contortion and sprinkle it out to ward off the evil spirit. Do re mi. Guys, don't forget, stay blessed, do good, save. Take some from this lyric. as your own contortion, as your own agbo, and live by it. Ojú palanja, àmọ́ kò bàjẹ́. Ìrèlè ni ọ̀rọ̀ ni tó bá dọ̀la. Ire ni ọ̀rọ̀ wealth ni tó bá dọ̀la. Inú báráyé kò bí sòkò, ẹ̀gàn ò pé kóyin má dùn. Ó dára fún ẹyẹlé, ó ti ràdàbà lọ́rùn. Kò màmá ní ikú kò níyàn, Mustapha. You guys, leave comments if you know anything about Semo Mustapha. I'd like to hear from you. Or if you have any other general comments about this song, leave comment. I'll read it and I'll respond to it if it requires responding to. You guys remain blessed.